I've got J, S, and C. First place votes means that J has 11. I'll write it as 7 plus 4 equals 11. S has 10, and C has 8. So J is the winner. Okay, now it says some other things here. And Clark drops out. Is the irrelevant alternatives criterion satisfied? So Clark is dropping out. He's noticing in the race, he's like, I'm not going to win. I'm not going to waste any more money on my campaign. Just imagine it. That happens in real life. So if a candidate is declared the winner of an election and in a second election, one or more of the other candidates is removed, the previous winner should still be declared the winner. Right? Think about what irrelevant means and alternatives. So irrelevant means like it's not important. It's outside of the realm of what we're doing. It's irrelevant. And then an alternative meaning like an alternate candidate. So here we're saying that Clark drops out. Clark's like, hey, I'm the worst candidate here. I'm just going to quit while I'm ahead. So Clark drops out. So now it's just J versus S. So this is kind of like plurality with elimination in a sense. So J then gets 7 plus 4 is 11. And S now gets 10 plus 8. So now S wins. I also want to highlight that she is irrelevant.
Professor, we can't see the board.
Oh. Okay, so Clark drops out. He or she is irrelevant to the original win. Okay, but now Clark says goodbye and Smith ends up winning by plurality. So the irrelevant alternatives criterion is not satisfied. So basically, if it seems like something can be unfair, that means that this fairness criteria is not satisfied. Remember, it's a criteria that's saying that something is fair. So what's going to happen? Maybe John, or whatever J is, Jones is going to probably pay off C and say, hey, buddy, please stay in the race. If you leave this race, guess what? Smith is going to win. So he's like, I know you're losing, but you can't leave me. If you leave, then Smith is going to win.
I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
Why is it that it always goes to the second winner and not the first winner? Like if it was like a real life situation, why do all the votes go to the second winner?
It's just that it can. It's not that it always does. So that, and I'm trying to highlight where the criteria fails. So that's going to show that it goes to the second winner. But in real life, it does sometimes, it usually goes to the actual winner.